You're too good. Find the pig. Great! Look for the goose. You're too... Now you can go to the forest. Find the squirrel. You're too good. Find the turtle. Well done, you found... Where is the bull? You're too good. Find the badger. Excellent! Now you can go to the fields. Where is the mouse? You're too good. Where is the duck? Well done, you... Find the goat. Great! Where is the fox? You're too good. Look for the frog. Great! Congratulations! You've won the camera! Try to take a photo. Touch here to take a photo. This photo is now in your album. Touch here to go back to the game. This photo is now in your album. Touch here to go back to the game. This photo is now in your album. Touch here to go back to the game. In some countries, it's possible to see bull races or bull riding rodeos. Look, night is falling. Help me to find all the animals before nightfall. There are 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh no, it's dark now and we can only see the animals' eyes. You can use my torch to find them, but I'm afraid it doesn't work very well. Listen. 20. Listen. 21. 22. Listen. 23. You found them all. You deserve a reward. Your camera can now make jigsaws. If you want to make a jigsaw, start by taking a photo. The pig is very greedy. It eats everything it is given. Shake the device if you want to make a jigsaw. Four pieces. Great! The longer you shake it for, the more pieces you will have. Try again. Look closely. Some animals have a question mark. Take a photo of one of them. Play photo quiz with me. Listen. Who is it? The hen. Missed it. Which animal lays eggs? The goose. Or the rooster. Excellent! Which animal can swim? The goose. or excellent. How many animals can you see? 1, 4. You're too good. The goose has a horn. True or false? Excellent. Which animal can you see in this photo? The turkey or the owl? Excellent. Which animal suckles its young? The goose or the dog? Missed it. Which animal lives in groups? The goose or... You're too good. Goose feathers are used to make pillows and duvets. This photo is now in your album. Shake the device if you want to make a jigsaw. Touch here to go back to the game. Look closely. Find the cameraman.